We're having a trade school career fair at John Marshall Library on May 4th from 10:30 to 2:30. There are so many careers out there for people who choose not to go to college. You could be a plumber, you could be a chef, you could go into construction, you could go into law enforcement, you could work for the county government in facilities management. The trade school career fair is for anyone over the age of 18 who is looking to start a career in the trade industry. So not only are we going to have different employers from the trade industries, we're going to have trade schools as well, because that's another opportunity for people. You don't have to go to a 4-year university. You can go to a specialized trade school that will help you get the skills you need for certain jobs. So at this event, we're going to have the police department, we're going to have Fairfax Water, we're going to have the Department of Environmental Services. We're going to have George Mason University participate. We're going to have Fairfax County Public Schools. So we've tried to invite a variety of different employers as well as trade schools. So we're going to have Lily Cuke Training Institute, which is a beauty school. We're going to have a representative from a therapeutic massage school and someone from a technology institute as well. This is not just a regular job fair where you're just getting a 9-to-5 job, just collecting a paycheck. This is you being proactive in choosing a career.